Hello， 大家好，欢迎来到 Luna Park 频道，我是唐红儿 Patricia。今天我们开箱 Gundam Figuration 飞翼高达 Early Color Version。As you guys can see, it comes in a brown box, which means it is a premium Bandai exclusive item. This is also our first time to unbox the Gundam Figuration series. So let's go ahead and open it up. On the front of the box, you can see the figure artwork as well as the Bandai and Tamashii Nations logo. And then when you turn the box around, you can see him in different poses. I really like the feel of this box because it has a matte finish. There's quite a few things in the box, including the main figure itself, a stand, wings, attachment parts, extra pieces of hands, extra parts, and special effects. It also has the instruction manual. So we're just going to go ahead and take the figure out and put the attachments and wings on him and see what it looks like. So here he is. This is the figure. You can see that it's actually very colorful because it is the early color version. One thing that I noticed is that it's really high quality. The joints are made with metal and it's got this really nice matte finish to it. The colors and little things on the body are also very detailed. As for his articulation, his waist doesn't really turn all the way around, however his legs are quite flexible. The arms are also very movable and the head moves 360 degrees. So here we have his attachment wing and his weapon, so let's put it on him and see what he looks like. So here he is with his wing, shield, and weapon attachments. They have a lot of different attachments that you can add on as well. This is our first time unboxing this series, and I can tell why it's so popular because the quality is definitely there.我们可以把飞翼站起来，看起来很酷。谢谢观看。如果你希望我开箱更多的 Gundam Figuration， 请留言告诉我。谢谢大家的支持，我们下次见，拜。
見つめ返す人